Law enforcement officers may soon have a new tool to help keep people from driving under the influence of marijuana.
Today we talked with Stanford researchers who say they're close to perfecting a roadside test for driving while high. KTVU's Jesse Gary has the details now, new at 6:30.
The future of DUI enforcement may be coming together in the palm of these hands.
A lot of people are driving under influence of marijuana but cannot be really deterred.
Stanford engineer Dr. Shan Wang leads a team of graduate students who may have the solution generated from saliva samples. Team leader Tyler Schultz used a decade of cancer research as a starting point. The problem, getting the sensor to lock on to tiny THC molecules in marijuana. Schultz uses a beach ball analogy.
What we're trying to do is have two hands grab the beach ball, except THC is so small that once one hand grabs it, there's nowhere else for the other hand to go.
The solution? Design specially magnetized nanoparticles that latch onto the THC, then introduce a saliva sample tainted with marijuana.
So when magnetic nanoparticle come near the sensor, we detect a large signal. We can deduce how many molecules of marijuana in the saliva.
Putting the heady science aside, this prototype gizmo works. PhD student Elaine Ng is designing the device to be more user-friendly for law enforcement.
How the police officer would interact with the device, how to make the process simpler for the officer to do these roadside tests.
Researchers have already developed a breathalyzer test for marijuana, but it's not that accurate. The saliva test, though, can detect nanograms of marijuana in your saliva and show those results in just minutes.
Finally figured out what's the best way to do that.
And the best way was what?
Clinical trials are still on the horizon, but Dr. Wang is still filled with wonderment at how this cutting-edge technology could ultimately save lives. On the Stanford campus, I'm Jesse Gary, KTVU, Fox 2 News.